Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dicky Heriyadi. I'm from English Education 3 semester 5. So in this video I will explain 3 type of text. There are actually many type of text, but in this video I only explain 3. So the first one is analytical exposition text. The second one is discussion text, and the third one is explanation text. So let's get started. So for the first one is analytical exposition text. Analytical exposition text is a type of text or spoken material in English that is used to explain author views on an issue that happens. In other words, this text is argumentative text. The purpose of the text is only to make the reader or listener aware of an issue raised by the writer or the speaker. Next is a generic structure of analytical exposition text. There is thesis, arguments, or then conclusion. In the thesis contains the opinion of the authors or a speaker regarding to the topic in question. And next is argument. Argument contains opinion that support the main idea. The more opinion that written, the more interesting the analytical exposition text is, because the reader or the listener tend to believe in many events if there are many supporting opinions in it. And the last one is conclusion. Conclusion contains a restatement on the essence of the ideas that is presented by the author. Next is grammatical feature of analytical exposition text is using simple present tense, using conjunctions such as first, second, third, next, furthermore, a dictionary, and so on. And then use evaluative words such as important, valuable, trustworthy, and so on. Using casual conjunction, for example like as result, because, by, consequently, despite, due to, for that reason, and so on. Okay, next is explanation text. Explanation text is a text which tells process relating to the forming of natural, social, and scientific cultural phenomena. Explanation text is the way to say why and how of the forming of the phenomena. Is often to found in science, geography, and history textbooks. For the generic structure of explanation text, there is two: general statement and sequence of explanation. General statement include the phenomenon issue which are to be explained, and the sequence of explanation stating a series of the steps which explain the phenomena. Okay, for the grammatical feature of explanation text is using simple present tense, using abstract noun, using passive voice, using action verbs containing explanation of the process. And the last one is discussion text. Discussion text is a text which present a problematical discourse. This problem will be discussed from different view points. Discussion is commonly found in philosophical and historic and social text. In other words, discussion is a kind of genre used to present at least 2 points of view about an issue. Okay, next is generic structure of discussion text. So the first one is issue, stating the issue which is will be to be discussed. And next is argument pro, presenting the point in supporting presented the issue, and argument contra, presenting the other point which is disagree to an supporting point. And the last one is conclusion or recommendation, by stating the greater recommendation of the discourse. Grammatical feature of discussion text is introduction, the category of generic participant, using thinking verb like feel, hope, believe, using contrastive conjunction like however, on the other hand, but in other side, although, and etc. Using modalities like must, should, could, using adverbial manner like hopefully and etc. I think that's all little bit explanation about three type of text. I hope this video is useful and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.